Vincent van Gogh, 1853, 1890. Vincent van Gogh was one of the most influential artists in the history of modern art. Yet he lived a life filled with struggle, loneliness, and misunderstanding. Today, his paintings are admired around the world, but during his lifetime, he was largely unknown and deeply troubled. Van Gogh was born in 1853 in the Netherlands. He grew up in a religious family, and from an early age, he was sensitive, emotional, and introspective. Unlike many artists, Vincent did not show clear artistic talent in his youth. Before becoming a painter, he tried several careers, including working as an art dealer, a teacher, and even a preacher. In his 20s, Van Gogh became deeply interested in religion and wanted to help the poor. He worked as a missionary among miners in Belgium, living in extreme poverty, to share their suffering. However, his intense personality and unconventional behavior caused conflicts, and he was eventually dismissed. This failure marked a turning point in his life. In his late 20s, Van Gogh decided to devote himself fully to art. He began drawing and painting seriously, often teaching himself through observation and practice. His early works were dark in color and focused on the lives of ordinary people, especially farmers and laborers. One of his most famous early paintings, The Potato Eaters, reflects this period. Van Gogh later moved to Paris, where he was exposed to new artistic styles, such as Impressionism. He met other artists and began experimenting with brighter colors and bolder brushstrokes. This period transformed his style dramatically. Color became a powerful tool for expressing emotion rather than reality. In 1888, Van Gogh moved to Arles in southern France, hoping to create an artist community. There, he painted some of his most famous works, including Sunflowers and The Bedroom. However, his mental health worsened during this time. His relationship with fellow artist Paul Gauguin ended in a dramatic breakdown, during which Van Gogh famously injured his own ear. After this incident, Van Gogh spent time in a mental hospital in Saint-Rémy. Despite his illness, he continued to paint with incredible intensity. It was during this period that he created The Starry Night, a painting that reflects both his inner turmoil and his deep connection to nature. In 1890, Vincent van Gogh died at the age of 37. He had sold very few paintings and believed himself to be a failure. Yet after his death, his work gained recognition and profoundly influenced modern art. Today, Van Gogh is remembered as a symbol of artistic passion, emotional honesty, and perseverance. Van Gogh's life reminds us that success and recognition do not always come at the same time as talent. His paintings continue to speak to millions because they express raw human emotion, hope, pain, loneliness, and beauty all at once. Through his art, Vincent van Gogh found a voice that the world would finally learn to hear.